All right, Algebra 2, EOC practice test number 3. What is the remainder when f of x equals x cubed plus 3x squared minus 10x minus 14 is divided by x minus 3? Enter your answer in the space provided. All right, so if you remember, this is a polynomial, and polynomial division can be done either long division or synthetic division. Or you could use the remainder theorem since it just says what is the remainder. All right, so there's three pretty easy ways to solve this, but it just depends on which way you want to do it. Okay, so the remainder theorem says if we have x minus 3, we can take positive 3 and plug it in for x and get our answer. So let's start by doing that, but then we're going to do division so that you can see that you get the same answer. All right, so if you just take your calculator, you're going to take 3 and plug it in for everything that has an x. So it's going to be 3 cubed plus 3 times 3 squared minus 10 times 3 minus 14. So if you plug that in your calculator, you're going to see that you get 10. So 10 is the remainder. But if you don't remember that you can do this using the remainder theorem, then you can simply do synthetic division, which is a little shorter than long division. So if you plug this in, this is called the remainder theorem. This is the quickest and easiest way to get the answer. But if you don't remember that, you can do division. So take the 3, and then you take all the coefficients, which is 1, 3, negative 10, and negative 14. So 1, 3, negative 10, and negative 14. Okay, the first number always comes down. 3 times 1 is 3. So we're going to add those and get 6. 3 times 6 is 18. So we're going to add this and get 8. 3 times 8 is 24. Negative 14 plus 24 is positive 10. So when you do division, you divide out this term. So it would be x squared plus 6x plus 8 with a remainder of 10 over x minus 3. So you get the same remainder here. You could also write this as 10 over x minus 3. All right, so the answer for number 3 is 10.